Hi guys, and welcome back to Caterpillar Cross Stitch. It's been a while, but I'm really excited today to share with you all of the information about our brand new Christmas 2023 cross stitch along project called Christmas Wonderland. Pre-order for this beautiful Christmassy village themed project opens on the 16th of August 2023 onwards, so you can pre-order from that date or at any stage afterwards, even once the sale has actually started. Part 1 of the project will be released at the end of September, so there's plenty of time to get your kits and supplies to you. It is a mystery stitch along, so we're not revealing the entire design, but there are some sneak peeks if you want to have a look. The overall pattern's broken down into 6 smaller pattern chunks, and one of those is emailed to you every fortnight in the run-up to Christmas. So we finish at the start of December, and you've then got time to display it and enjoy showing it off in the run-up to Christmas. A cross-stitch along project is a fantastic way to make new friends if you are already creative and crafty and love cross-stitch. It's a great way to explore new techniques and themes and designs if you are an experienced stitcher, but it's also a great way to get into cross-stitch for the very first time if you're on the fence, if maybe some friends and family members have said to you, why don't you try this? If you're a complete beginner and this is your first project, then this is the perfect one for you. There's a ton of support available. We are here for you 24/7. You can email us, you can contact us across social media, and we've also got a dedicated Facebook group where you will get loads of tips, inspiration, and feedback and support because everyone posts progress pictures of their work every week, sometimes every day. So pre-orders open from the 16th of August onwards, and that is only available on our website, which is caterpillarcrossstitch.com, and there's also a link down below. If you're new around here, then hi, I'm Sally. I am the founder and creative director of Caterpillar Cross Stitch, and I create all of the patterns. I have been doing YouTube for many years now, and I'm really thrilled that you're here. If you like to cross stitch and love finishing ideas, inspiration, little tips, and just fun stuff behind the scenes, then please do consider subscribing to this channel. I'd love to have you here. Leave me any comments that you've got down below and I will answer every single one of them. And if you give me a thumbs up on this video, I'll know to make more like this, and please feel free to leave suggestions down below or any questions or comments that you might have. With our stitch along projects, and I think this is our 20th stitch along project now. Our very first one was in 2017 called Happiness is Homemade, which is an afternoon tea baking cake theme. So go and check that out if you're interested. People often ask, do I have to keep up? Is there a lot of pressure? Because there's obviously a lot going on as we approach Christmas, but the answer is absolutely not. So it's really manageable, it's very relaxed, and there's no pressure to keep up with any specific stitching by a date. Some people stitch everything really quickly, some people might skip a few weeks and then stitch when they've got the time to do that. I want it to be really fun and exciting for you so that you don't feel like you have to do it, that you're just doing it because you want to. We do have a 5 to 6 week pre-order period, and we do ship to over 30 countries worldwide. There's also a variety of shipping options, so if you want to go for a tracked shipping option, you can do that. We also have free UK shipping over a certain threshold, so check out the website. But if you are interested, particularly if you are not in England, then I would encourage early ordering. So ideally on the 16th of August, because that way we can get everything ready and shipped out ASAP. So this theme has been highly requested. We have done a ton of different Christmas themed stitch-alongs before and just general Christmassy cross-stitch designs. But so many of you were asking for a really adorable Christmas village scene. So the pattern itself is landscape, and it includes some really cute elements. And I want it to remind you of sort of going out to a Christmas fair, Christmas village, and all the little stalls and things that you might see or get to do there. And of course, with every stitch along, I always design a complimentary needle minder that matches the theme and the colours of the thread that are used. And we did have a bit of a brainstorm to decide what we should be designing for our magnetic enamel needle minder for this Christmas. And we chose a yummy hot chocolate theme. So there is a candy cane, there's a cinnamon stick, there's whipped cream, marshmallows, sprinkles and a cookie. So I hope that you'll add that on as well, because it will really finish off your stitching, and it will mean that that needle will be safe at all times and won't go missing. I also recommend treating yourself to one of our full cross-stitch kits, because it comes with absolutely everything you're going to need. We have eco-friendly, plastic-free packaging. There's an image on the front of there of the overall design, but because it's a mystery, it is blurred out. On the back, there's an image of what's included inside and details of the dimensions and ways to contact us. Inside, you will receive illustrated step-by-step instructions. So if you are new or you just want a bit of a reminder, you can easily follow those along. We use Zweigart fabrics, which I think are the best cross-stitch fabrics in the whole world. The fabric for this sal is a beautiful, delicate pale grey. We have 14 count aida, 16 count aida and 32 count even weave if you want something a little bit more delicate. We also have some gorgeous DMC threads or floss available, and those are all wound and cut by hand onto our beautiful caterpillar card thread holders. There is a slit at one side you can put the end through to keep that nice and neat and tidy, and there's also a hole so you can keep any extra threads on there. With our thread holders, you can cut off as much or as little as you want, so it's really personal to you. I love working with DMC, and I do think that they are a fantastic company. The threads are colour fast, they are great quality, they're unlikely to knot, and they're beautiful and silky smooth. So that's why I put DMC threads in all of our kits, and I also put DMC needles in our kits as well. So there's different sizes depending on the fabric that you choose for your kit, but you will also get that brand new needle as well, which works beautifully with the fabric and the threads, so that it's a really high quality, lovely, relaxing experience. We also include loads of thread in our kits. A lot of people always comment that they have lots left over. Well, I'd rather have you have more left over than run out. It's very, very rare that anyone ever runs out, but if you do, we will send you more for free. We always calculate the amount you'll need and add more on top. So if you want to add some personalization, or you might have made a little mistake, there's plenty of thread in there. And if you're watching this prior to the 16th of August, then please do go and check out our Facebook page, which is Caterpillar Cross Stitch, or our Instagram, which is @CaterpillarCrossStitch. Both of those are tagged down below, because we have a really exciting big bundle giveaway for this sal that you can easily enter for free. We are really experienced and passionate when it comes to cross-stitch long projects. We have done about 20 now, and we host 3 every single year, with thousands of people joining from all over the world. And it's fantastic to see so many new people discover this craft and just really enjoy exploring their creativity and join with each new stitch along. At the moment, we're finishing off our mid-year sal, which is called Positivity Lifts, which is an uplifting typography hot air balloon theme, so go and check that out. And earlier this year, we completed the British Isles Adventure cross-stitch design, which was our January sal, so go and check that out. That also complements our Adventure Awaits design, which is the whole world map. I've been doing this for nearly 8 years now, and I absolutely love creating new projects and products for you guys. I offer a full 100% money back and satisfaction guarantee, because I'm that certain that our kits and supplies are of the highest quality and that you will be satisfied and really thrilled with them. If you're looking for a unique Christmas gift idea as well for a crafty friend or family member, then this is a great way to support a small business and send them something that's a little bit different. If you want to send something to a friend, then just enter their details when you check out and leave us a note, and we can do a handwritten free gift note to pop into the package and send it directly to them. Why not get 2 and stitch one with a friend or a family member, no matter where you are in the world? You could either get together in person, or you could stitch each part together over Zoom, which is a fantastic way to stay connected. There's loads of other videos on this YouTube channel about finishing ideas as well. If you want to turn this finished project into a wall hanging, frame it, mount it on backing board or even a cushion. So check those out. And also we have a full beginner series to help get you started. I know how much cross stitch can help with mental health, mindfulness, relaxation, and it's a great way to just carve out some me time just for you. So at the end of a busy day, it's a great way to have that project to come back to. You can also take it with you wherever you are on the go. You might be going on some travels soon, or waiting in a queue, or waiting at a children's club or something. But it's a bit like having a book around, but it's a great way to stay off your phone and just have that project with you at all times so that you're never bored. You might have Netflix on in the background, a podcast, audiobook, and it's just a great way to be like, nope, this is my time now. I'm doing my next stitch along pattern piece. And I've always found that it's so satisfying because even just adding a few stitches at a time really helps you see how the pattern is growing. I'll also link down below details of our previous stitch alongs, so you can check out some of the other designs. And when each stitch along is complete, it's available as a full kit or pattern. So it's no longer broken down, it's just a finished design. And you will also get the professionally printed colour pattern as well. And when this one is complete in December, the full kits will come with an A3 colour printed pattern, which is so easy to follow. We don't have any backstitch, we don't have French knots or fractional stitches. All of our designs are perfect for beginners. And if you're looking for something even smaller, then it might be worthwhile checking out our Caterpillar Club subscription box. So every 2 months there is a brand new designer, a brand new theme, and there's also 3 or 4 extra themed goodies in the box as well, delivered straight to your door. Our Christmas box for this year is called Season's Greetings and is by Emma Congdon of Stitchrovia. We've also got our complete cross stitch planner available, which is a great way to keep track of your progress, motivation, stay organised and sort out your stash. And if you do fancy picking up one of the needle minders, maybe it is the hot chocolate that takes your fancy, then they're also available on our pick and mix bundle of 3 offer to save money too. So I do hope that you join us as we travel to our gorgeous Christmas Wonderland and produce a festive work of art to keep for generations. Pre-order opens on the 16th of August onwards on our website, caterpillarcrossstitch.com. If you have any questions at all, then please do leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up. So I do hope that you will join us as we travel to our beautiful Christmas Wonderland, and I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great week.